Three new orphan baby hoglets, and Jono's just going to check them over, sex them, mark them, and then we'll get them in the warm. They're all in the glove.
Hello, babies. Oh, that's unbearably cute. Little girl.
That's a girl, yeah.
Little girl. Oh.
What she's about to do, she's sneezing.
And you are a little unroll, please. Good boy.
So I'd leave him as no spot.
Yep. The last. It's a very cold little boy. Which one is little? It's this one here, isn't it?
Where's she?
Before you do go. Need a picture of the whole army.
Well, that's either a hiccup or a sneeze, but it's really cute. That's great. Let's let them get warm and then we'll feed them a bit later.
If you like our videos, click on the subscribe button. Every new subscriber means we can save more wildlife.